Hey everyone, I'm Matt Bain from JB&A Distribution and welcome to another video. Organizations all over the world have had to reassess their video strategies. And those problems and challenges only get amplified when you're dealing with public sector clients. City councils have been under particular strain trying to overcome associated technology challenges. That's where JB&A and our reseller partners can step in to help and provide a fresh perspective. Today I want to talk about a real-world renovation we participated in, and how our broadcast-first approach exceeded the customer's expectations and came in under their budget. Like many city councils, this city had an existing chamber that already had audio and video technology in it, but it just wasn't right for broadcasting. Once the city needed to start streaming, not only was it difficult, but it just didn't look good for the viewers, and that's something we can help with. Our broadcast-first approach was completely in line with the city's #1 objective: providing great-looking audio and video to the city's citizens. The team at the city loved that approach, but they had a big caveat. It needed to come in on budget, and that just didn't look like it was going to be easy to do. Our final design included a TriCaster switcher at the heart of the city council chamber, 4 NDI PTZ cameras to capture all of the room, 13 total microphones, sound reinforcement, wireless presentation capabilities, in-room signal distribution, 2 65-inch displays, and support for 10 desktop monitors for the board and clerks. We were able to provide not only the bill of materials, but also help write the statement of work to ensure that the project went off without a hitch. Amazingly, we were able to provide the city everything they needed and still come in under their $70,000 budget. It was an amazing win-win situation. If you need help renovating your city council chambers, reach out to JB&A. We'd be happy to help. Thanks so much.